I'll show you real quick just how to swap out your old smoke detector for a combination carbon monoxide and smoke alarm detector. Out of the package, you're going to get your hardware installation, you're going to get your instructions, you'll get a mounting bracket, and then you'll have the alarm. This one came with batteries as well. The batteries are already in there. One thing real quick, just want to show you about this. Once you lock this in place to the mounting bracket, you'll see this tiny piece right here. Press that down and turn it, and it'll unlock it. These flap down for the battery. This piece lays across here so that you can actually just pull this up to pull the batteries out. But these lay flat down when you put the battery in. So if the batteries are moved, it will actually beep on you.
Push test button.
You can see here I have a few other mounting bracket holes up there. So I'm going to go ahead and see if I can align this up with some of the other holes so I don't have to drill any new ones. That one doesn't. It looks like that one will. Okay, using these outer brackets, it will fit. So I'm going to move that and I'm going to have to move the insert too. Now I've got the insert in. I'm screwing the screw in place. And this actually slides over the top of both the screws. If you leave them untightened, you can slide it and then just turn it clockwise or counterclockwise to where it locks in place, and then screw these down. Now I just have to line up the 4 pieces here on the edges. Those all line up to the inset piece on the mounting bracket, and then once I pop it in place, I just turn it and you hear the snap.